Okay, so just received the new vLink adapter, which is a plug-in model. So it's got the USB plug on one end and the OBD connector on the other. So this is for the laptop version, which I'm using FORScan with. So it comes in a box, packaged up nicely. Instruction manual and the cable itself with the OBD2 port and USB on the other. So the instructions seem pretty straightforward. Download the USB driver and the FORScan application. Go to the FTDI website to download the driver for the cable. So I've already loaded and got the FORScan application on my laptop or tablet running Windows. So it's just a case of downloading the drivers for it. So I've logged into the ftdichip.com drivers. I'm running Windows 10. Click here to download Windows 7 to 11. And Windows Server Driver Installer. So we'll click here. It is now downloading. It's in a zip file. Okay, so just downloaded the driver, which is in a zip folder. Set up. You want to allow changes? Yes, we do. Extract. Installation wizard. And read and agree. I'm sure we accept all that. Next. Successfully installed and finish. So back to the instructions. So once you've installed the drivers according to your computer system, so open the FORScan, which like I say I've already downloaded on here. I'll close all those. We'll open FORScan. Okay, so we'll open FORScan. So it says here, open FORScan, click settings, connection type. So settings, connection type is FTDI. So select settings, connection type FTDI. Now it says here baud rate 115.2. 115.2. Remember to choose auto increase. Okay. So the getting started, download and install the FORScan app for Windows, which we've done. I've actually just using the 2-month free trial before I go out and buy the year extended license. So it says connect vLinker FS to the laptop. So plug in the USB, the red light flashes once and the blue light is always on. Which indeed it is. Plug the vLinker FS into the vehicle. Blue light and green light are always on. Not sure about the green light, but the blue light's definitely on. Turn ignition to the on position. So I have the USB end of the cable plugged into the computer, and the vLinker plugged into the OBD port. It says now launch the FORScan application. A little warning, don't use the vehicle while you're using this, okay. So we've launched the FORScan application on the computer. The instructions say just click connect down the bottom here, connect to vehicle, switch to real mode. So the ignition key is on. Okay. Please select a specification for this vehicle, so 2000 MY. And it certainly seems to have connected. Just bringing up the information about the vehicle. Connection to the vehicle has been established. In my case, Ford F Series Super Duty, DI Turbo 7.3, found modules, PCMs. And what's this? Would you like to say the profile for this vehicle? Yes. Okay. So it certainly seems to have connected without any trouble whatsoever. So looking at error codes, successful DTC reading, no error codes found. So yeah, look, it certainly seems to have connected without any trouble whatsoever. All I did was plug it in and away it went. And obviously, being the computer version or PC version of FORScan gives you quite a bit more parameters than just the app. So I've added the PIDs onto the dashboard for the FORScan. The vLinker connection is all plugged in. The motor's running, so we'll hit play. And as you can see, connection is good, and it's now reading all the values. So that's just the accelerator pedal. So yeah, connected, working well, nice and quick, no delays. So nice and easy. Yeah, all works really good. Righto, so in a nutshell, the vLinker for FORScan with the USB and OBD connector worked really well. No issues in setting it up. Yep, no complaints at all. So like I say, came with the instruction manual here. Pretty straightforward and easy to follow. The quick start guide is on the back. The actual cable. USB connector. So really it's as simple as unpacking it, and as the instructions say, getting onto the FTDI chip, downloading the drivers for your computer, in my case Windows 10, loading the drivers, setting that up, which was no issue at all, and then once that was set up it was a simple case of going to my FORScan application, and then just setting that up as per the instructions on the connection tab, and just change the connection type to FTDI and the baud rate to 15.2, and that was it. It connected, like I say, no problems at all. I've been playing around with it and setting up the PIDs on FORScan. Yeah, and it connects automatically every time without having to go through any other setup. Just plug it in and launch application, and away you go. This one as well doesn't have the switch for the For the high speed and low speed, that's all automatic, so you don't need to do any adjustments or changing on anything. So all in all, yeah, real easy to use, works straight out of the box. Yep, highly recommended. Yep, no problem at all.